Today we are gonna be making a Lego Pokeball which opens. These are the pieces you are gonna need. If you can see that I don't have all the same pieces on both the sides because I don't have all the pieces, so I'm gonna modify some of them and use different pieces. So let's get started. First we'll start with the red side. You're going to be needing this piece. Stack 4 of these on this flat piece. Now we have to take a 1/4 and put it on top. Now flip it. Take this piece, put it right over here. Take the same piece. The pieces which are gonna come here don't matter in color because they won't be visible at the end. Then we take a same piece but in the 1/2 form. Now take a 2/4 flat piece and put a 1/4 over here. Make 2 more like these. We'll put it over here. Over here, we are going to put a 2/4 flat piece. We don't have to put any 1/4 over here. Now we have to keep it aside. Now we'll make the white side, the bottom. I don't have the pieces which I use in that, so I'm going to use a 1/4 flat piece and 2 1/2. Then put a 1/4 on top. I'll repeat the same steps. Put these pieces on all the 4 sides. And to cover these empty pieces, I'm taking a 1/1 block. Now put a 1/4 on all the sides. Take a 1/1 smooth piece. Put a 1/1 flat piece on the sides. Turn it 1/4, another one, and yeah, leave this side blank. I'll take 1/1 black piece. You can put it, if you have a white colored piece, put it white, and this piece. Take the red part. On the flat side, put 1 red piece and the one which can get attached. Now if you see, they get attached. After they are attached, I put this. It doesn't matter if it spins, it just needs to be black from the sides, and this 1/1. Now you have your own Pokeball which opens. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.